Welcome to Surface Mold Removal. In this video, we will walk you through what it is, how to use it, and what you can do, along with a little information as to why you might need it. What it is. In this kit, you will find several tools for safely removing mold. They include an N95 mask, a squeegee, rubber gloves, a scrub brush, sponge, soap, and bottle of hydrogen peroxide. Did you know? The key to mold is moisture control. Quickly repairing any leaks is key, as is keeping your home's humidity between 30 to 50%. The best way to do this is to run a fan in your kitchen and bathroom. Mold is very common and can be found everywhere. It will grow in places with a lot of moisture, such as from a roof, door, or window leak. It will grow in places with high humidity, such as bathroom ceilings and around tubs and showers. A squeegee can help reduce the moisture in your shower. Surface mold will also grow in places with poor ventilation, such as closets and behind dressers or beds. If there is enough moisture, mold will grow on anything, including paper, cardboard, and even shoes. What it does. Mold often causes allergies and asthmatic reactions, sneezing, wheezing, coughing, and shortness of breath. It may also cause asthma to develop in children. What you can do to safely clean mold. 1. Wear a mask and gloves to protect yourself from breathing in the mold spores. 2. Scrub the area with dish soap and water, or use hydrogen peroxide and saturate the surface. Let sit for 10 minutes, then scrub to remove the mold. 3. Dry the area completely. 4. Find and fix the moisture problem, or the mold will return. Tips. Don't use bleach as it is irritating to the lungs. It does not actually kill the mold spores, but instead just bleaches them white. Now that you know more about this mold removal kit, how to use it, and a few tips about reducing and removing mold in your home, you are ready to get started. To learn more, go to www.yourairmatters.org. This project is brought to you by the Partnership for Air Matters and funded by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. Thanks for watching.